Hello, welcome back to Roy's Workshop. Today we're working on Dave and trying to get it road legal.
We got close yesterday.
Yeah,
we got close. So we should fix some of the pickups on it. And
naturally, as we've been going, we've been buying odds and sods. And luckily, I bought a whole load of stuff last month, and it's arrived this month. Let me show you. We have some OE lenses, both sides, but as I'm going to rewire Priscilla, here she is, I bought some lovely LEDs. Ooh. And to go with the LEDs, I bought every single bulb imaginable. Both, what's this? That's a side light. There's stop and tail in there. Got some wiring kit in here. Got some LED relays. Got some sustenance from Dunkin' Donuts. Have to get sustenance. Soldering iron and some heat shrink. Phil has started.
not really.
So now we're going to find out what wire does what, because these are new ones. You got these from town, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Not genuine.
These aren't genuine, but it doesn't matter, does it?
They are made in Taiwan. So quality.
Quality. So we're going to double check all the lighting, wiring, do one side, do the other, and then I think on the back, I think we're going to convert it to LED as well. Whilst we're here,
We'll see.
just get it all done. So yeah, join us, won't you? So just found out which wire does what. This one is side light, this one indicator, and this one is earth. Maybe. We'll find out before we do it.
No, this one's it.
Oh, yeah, that one's earth. That one's indicator. That one's side light.
No.
Don't say no.
No, that's it. That side light, 'cause it's got a lot of knots in, so it looks like an S.
You're making this up as we go
That's
along.
there's anything indicates it's an I.
So we need to unravel this, which is here. So there's the earth. That one's nice and easy. Oh goodness gracious me. That's another earth. Yeah. We'll have a look and we'll catch up with you in a moment. So we've worked out which wires are which. We've managed to mount it properly with the bolt, the nut on the right side of the wing. And now I'm dodgily soldering. Put the input there. What am I doing? Sidelight.
Soldering when no one's ever soldered before.
Yeah. Different coloured heat shrink. So the white one's for side light, yellow's for indicator, and black is for earth.
And we will most definitely not remember that.
At the moment, no we bloody won't. At the moment, it's earthing through the mounting bolts. And we're going to leave it like that until late, well, probably the weekend when I come to do it properly, because the cable the lights didn't have their own earth. They were earthing through the chassis, so we'll address that small issue. But the wiring harness that's fitted to this looks like it is fairly original. It's just been tinkered with by Badmin, and Badmin gets all over the world, as I'm sure some of you may remember from Squid's truck that I was able to do some wiring on. Hello Badmin, if you're watching, please stop doing electrics.
It's really hard, this electric stuff.
It is.
So.
It is on.
So difficult.
It is on 40-year-old electrics that, like these wires, they don't want to take on this solder. And
I mean, just watching you do it's really Taxing.
Fucking tell me about it. Taxing for me as well. Hot. I'm not too happy with it.
No.
No.
You're doing electrics, you're never too happy with it, like.
This is very true.
You know what that needs?
What's that?
Bit of tape.
You're probably not far wrong. Trim the few scragglers. You know, I was saying about this old wire that doesn't take solder very well. Old, coarse, brittle copper. Love it.
You done yet?
We haven't even done one bloody side light.
No.
I don't think we'll be doing the
Fee.
ball joints
No?
tonight.
We'll see. We'll see. Do you want me to start undoing stuff?
It's already undone. I'm probably squirting with the oil, but. So we've got one side on. I'll show you in a minute. But look at this. This is what I'm fighting against. So this is what I've got. 3, yeah, blue, green, and then actually the green at the bottom. So it comes through, fine, good, and then it goes into black and red, and it comes up into here, and it goes into here, and this goes to here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it probably about here, pull it all out, and then feed through the new wires and go from there. Hopefully. One thing we did find was I was mistaken. The 3 wires that we had coming out of here, one was for the side light, and one was for the indicator, and then there's one behind. In fact, I'll show you this one. And there's one behind, like that. And I think so. We wired this one in with the side light. So when you put the side light on, this marker light turns on. We're unsure if it's meant to be an indicator because it doesn't work. We should really try that one and see if that one lights up on the indicators.
Nope.
Okay, they're both going to be on the indicators.
Yep. Those didn't match, that's all right.
That's it, yeah. We're not too sure, yeah. In the UK, side markers on the indicators didn't come in until 84. Not that that obviously matters here because we're in Saudi Arabia. But that's the rules in the UK if you were that bothered, which I know nobody is really. Was it 84, 86?
I wasn't alive, I don't know.
I don't know. My Nova C. 85. Yeah, I think it might have been 86 actually. Because my 90 doesn't have side markers on the indicator. Anyway, I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut this off and then reattach it in here. Don't worry about the wiring. It's all getting redone anyway. It's render pigs. HIDs, bro. It does have HIDs, but they're sugar. Flash you in? Happy? Ah, good.
Well, I'm not happy.
What's happening, Philip?
You tell me, mate. You tell me what's been happening, and why did we think we was finished and we're not finished?
So as it turns out, the 2 red wires that we had coming out, and I said, oh, they're the same bloody colour. We've now got rid of that red tape that was here to find out why, when we turned the indicator on, the side light was flashing also. Upon further inspection, I don't know how we did it, but we've done it. The two red wires that I connected, you know, the indicators up and the side light up, were flashing, connected together. So now I've gone back and stripped the other cable that was there to find that this is the actual one. But you'll see, this is the genuine Toyota, the red and green with the red stripe, twisted on a piece that's what, 2.5 inches long. Under here will be another twist and tape
Into a nice black cable, and then
into the black cable, and then the black cable went into the. Wait, hang on, I'll show you because it's here. And then the black cable went here for 6-7 inches into here,
into blue.
into blue, and that's just. So we've tested it. I'm going to
that one.
I'm going to get the. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this bit. We don't need that. It's now hidden in the engine bay, so it's perfectly fine. This probably isn't going to take solder all too well. So we'll do oh, white. We've got the. Oh, thank you, kind sir. We've got this. In fact, we'll go upper side. Where's the wire? Don't leave a piece here. Yes. This is RS stuff. It's pretty good. So I'm going to do the same as what I did on the other side. Twist them together, solder them together, and then put heat shrink. I know it's terrible, I know it's bad, don't do it. I know I'm having to go at Badmin for being so bad at wiring, but this is going to get fully rewired anyway, so
Eventually.
I'm not bothered. Whether it be here or whether it comes back to HQ back in Somerset. Controversial.
Not this one.
What, Dave, I'll come back.
Dave's coming to Doncaster.
Yeah, but you can come down for a weekend and we can rewire him. Or I can make
I like your optimism of a weekend.
Me too. I also need to clean this. So yeah, don't do this. This isn't great. I like to use the term do it once, do it well, and generally I like to live by that, but in this instant it's just, yeah, heatings. It's a little bit breezy, but it's still in the mid-20s. Come on, boogalugs.
And my gooch is
Wow.
dripping.
Wow, wow, wow. Here we go. I promise you it is going. If you do electronics for a living, please don't judge me on this. And Badmin, if you're watching, this is far better than you ever did. So the cats have come to play.
That's not playing.
They're playing mums and dads, boys and girls. And then using the... Should we test it?
Lovely.
Excellent.
It's not that bright, but
Because the earth is bad. Come on. Ow!
oh, always tell you haven't smoked before, Rory.
You reckon?
Yeah.
My thumb hasn't been battle hardened. What you do is that you melt this enough so you can bend it over. Well, this way isn't melted enough.
I thought you were supposed to melt it, not burn it.
I'm sealing it.
Oh, right,
Sealing the joint with this. It's good stuff though. Let's put the front back together. Pull it out.
Mm.
I don't think they can complain about these ones. We haven't tightened it up yet. Again, I don't want to go too hard because.
No.
Right. Have a look.
Good.
That's alright. I think we'll put the LEDs in.
No. Good. Kind of good.
Should we do the rear ones?
Just
Eh?
that one's constant. That one flashes.
I'll change that tomorrow when I've got a bit more light.
Leave it for now. Yeah.
Should we do the back?
Just a lens change.
Just the lens.
Not today.
Not today.
I hope we've not missed dinner.
What time is it?
No.
Oh, I don't know. It's only 4:07.
Yeet. With the sheer enthusiasm that this is going to be an easy job.
Well, it is, isn't it? Ooh. Oh, there's some sand here, Philip.
Yeah?
Yeah. What have you been with this?
Not me. I don't off-road it. It's too nice to off-road.
It's a tarmac queen. Wow.
Crispy. It's not that bad though. Come on.
No.
Genuine Toyota parts. That has been on since bloody 70s.
Since fucking day one.
That's a heck.
We've had dinner. Post dinner, we decided not to do any more on the car because it's dark and his outside light doesn't. It is working, it's not really bright. So we're going to work on it tomorrow. So we thought we'll go back to Toyota because I forgot to go back today and grab the hoses.
For the red.
So we've just been, took the camera with us, and they're shut. So we've come back and now we're going to go to bed. Because we're up early.
In separate bedrooms.
Yes, yeah. Quickly throw that one out there. So I'm driving back the long distance back to my villa from Phillips. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe out there. Take care. Bye now.
Ciao.
There we go. Mint.